Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be making one of my favorite soups. We're going to start by chopping 1 carrot, 1 large onion, grabbing 6 pieces of garlic, chopping 6 pieces of celery, and having 1 kilo of chicken. You're also going to need a handful of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of Maggi seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now I'm adding about 4 cups of water and putting it into my pressure cooker for 15 minutes. You could also leave it on the stove at medium heat for 25 minutes. Once it's boiled a little, I'm adding 2.5 cups of broccoli. And once they've all boiled together, I'm adding 1 pound of mozzarella cheese. I'm now adding 1 cup of heavy cream milk. This gives the soup a creamier texture. And I also add 2 diced and peeled potatoes once they've all boiled. Your soup should come out looking something like this. And there you have it. I have it with some toasted bread and some lemon. It's really good for cold weather.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Bye.